onion soup is amazing. Smoked brisket is amazing. Let's put both of them together. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making an amazing smoked brisket French onion soup. First thing that we need to do is start preparing all the ingredients. We got a leftover smoked brisket here. We want to cut it down into smaller cubes. Then we're going to place it in a pan together with a cup of beef broth. And now we want to simmer this for about an hour. We got 6 yellow onions that we want to slice into really thin strips. We're going to melt a stick of butter in a medium hot pan. And then we're going to add all the onions. We're going to lower the temperature to low. Now we're going to slowly caramelize the onions until they have a beautiful brown color. This will take between 3 to 4 hours. Big shout out to Joe from Chicago for inspiring me to make this recipe. After about an hour, we're going to pull the brisket cubes using a fork. Then we want to keep simmering this for about an hour. It's been 3 hours. The onions looks amazing. Now it's time to add the pulled brisket. If you want more brisket flavor, you add more brisket. If you want more onion flavor, you don't add as much brisket. Then we want to add 4 cups of brisket drippings from our previous smoke. We're going to cut a baguette into thin slices, spray both sides with duck fat, and then give it a nice color on a hot pan. All the ingredients are now ready, so let's start cooking the French onion soup. It's time to ladle the soup into a couple of soup bowls. We want to add 2 slices of the baguette. We're going to season these with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. We're going to top them with lots and lots of Gruyere cheese. Then we're going to place the bowls in the oven under a hot broiler till the cheese is bubbling and starting to turn brown. Then it's time to remove it from the oven, and then this beautiful soup is ready to eat. And that is how I make my smoked brisket French onion soup. It is time to try this, and this is hot, so be careful. Wow, it is so rich, it is so flavorful. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.